In the middle of a gunfight, in the center of a restaurant, they say, come with your arms raised high. Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and if you guys couldn't tell, I am literally living my best 3 cheers for Sweet Revenge life as Revenge era Frank Iero. I am literally living for this look. I am so excited. This is the start of a brand new series I'm going to be doing on my channel where I recreate iconic emo makeup looks from back in the day. So I thought I would go out with a bang, and not go out with a bang, but start with a bang and be one of the most iconic emo makeups there is, which is Frank Iero's X's and red eyeshadow. I feel like there's nothing more iconic emo than just Revenge era My Chemical Romance, and I am living my best 2009 scene life. Like, that is the greatest thing to happen to me. Bring back the emo days. Like, literally, let's do it. Katrina Corruption is here, and I'm just living for this. Like, hi, hello. This is everything I've ever wanted to be. Like, come date me. I am one half a Ferrard. Like, yes. Yeah, I'm really living for this. So if you guys want to see how I got this Frank Iero inspired look, please keep watching. Okay, so I have my foundation, concealer, powder on, and I have my eyebrows on. So that means we are ready to move on, get forward to the rest of this look. I am so excited about this series. I feel like this whole 2009 scene thing is literally made for me. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm taking a taupey, purpley, gray shadow. It's an eyeshadow. This is from the Funfetti palette. This is like my favorite for ultra pale looks, and I'm going to actually contour with this because I kind of want to just hollow myself out, look a little dead. Not like super dead, but like we're emo, so we're like, you know, we want to be dead. I mean, this album has a lot of like death undertones. I just really love this color for contouring, and once I use all this shadow, I don't know what I'm gonna do because it's literally like my favorite like super pale contour shade I have. It's just so pretty. It's my favorite. Okay, so I really think that contour really helped tie this in, makes me get ready, more inspired, get ready to go into this eyeshadow, which is gonna be a lot because I kind of want to make this more glam. Like, I want it to be the iconic makeup look, but like in 2019 with makeup skills. So I really want an ultra kind of glam emo look going on right now. So I'm going to be going in with a lot of red shadows because I'm really focusing on like 2 of his looks. Like, he has the one where he has the really bright red underneath, and I want the X's, but I want to combine them because, you know, I want everything on my face. So I'm going to take a dusty red shadow and I just kind of put it underneath and around my crease and really blow it out for a second. I'm kind of just making this up as I go and looking at photos of him because who needs to actually plan things? I planned that I wanted to do this look. I didn't even have the proper clothes. I had a white button up and I had a black tank top, so I put that on top, and I had red ribbon. I don't even have a red tie, but I'm making this work because I want to be everyone's dream Frank Iero emo boyfriend. You know what I mean? That's the goal for this video. So I'm just lightly dusting this around the eye. Now, I know his is a little brighter. This is just a base, and we're gonna keep building up on this. This is just to kind of give you the feel. Like, right now we're kind of more Gerard Way, but don't worry, we're gonna get Frank in there. And now we're going to start going into a brighter red. This one is Love Plus from Sugar Pill. It's my favorite red shadow. And we're going to start running this literally everywhere. Like, everywhere. Really blowing this out. Oh my god. I'm so excited for the amount of red eyeshadow I'm going to be putting on my face in the next few days. Like, oh my god, it's going to be amazing. For this series is going to be literally living my best life. I love this whole 2009 scene thing because I get to live out all of my dreams. I'm literally just going to put this, apply this color like everywhere, all over the eyes. Just lots and lots and lots of red. I really want to exaggerate this down a little bit, that brightness that he had. Now I want to start adding more brightening red, so I'm going to go in this bright cherry red in this NYX palette and apply this right underneath the eye. I'm really concentrate that with a more like packy brush. My god, what is like some of your guys' favorite Frank Iero moments? He was literally adorable. No, he actually wasn't my #1 crush in My Chemical Romance. That went to Mikey Way. If you saw my Top 10 Emo Crushes video I did last year. But oh my god, literally, I just remember like I had this friend in 6th grade who was just as obsessed with My Chemical Romance as me, and we would literally talk about the I'm Not Okay video all the time and like spend like an hour talking about that freaking kiss on the cheek with him and Gerard. Like, oh my god, but trust me, I'm not. Oh my god. When they kiss, it was literally magical. Get it takes to show you that it's not the life it seems. Told you time and time again, you say the words, but still know what it means to be a joke. And oh my god, I just can't. Going back in that sugar pill shade, I'm just gonna take it on my finger and I apply that all over the lid. And then to connect this red with the rest of the red, I'm gonna go in with a red eyeliner and run it through my waterline. Okay, so the base of the eyes is done. We're gonna take a quick break from this for a second and move on to the rest of the face, kind of finish it. I want to make sure that like I have everything done before I put the X's, so which I'm so excited to do those X's. I can't even like, this is literally like dreams, goals, like everything I wanted to do. Like if I had actual good red eyeshadow back in the day, like, so I was really obsessed with my chem, like especially in middle school where I wasn't allowed to wear makeup. So like having this on my face right now is literally like giving me all of my dreams. I'm gonna go in with a red blush. I'm just gonna apply this to my cheeks and to my tip of my nose because I know even though this is an emo look, your girl can't resist the cute life. So we're just gonna add a little bit of blush. And we can't forget the nose. Alright, so like right now I kind of look like I'm dead with a cold, and like I'm not gonna lie, kind of living for it. I'm just living my best Frank Iero life. Like if middle school me, who was like super obsessed with them, knew that one day I was gonna look like this, I would have been so happy because like literally in middle school I really wasn't allowed to have makeup. I didn't have makeup till I was like 13, and then it was just like an NYC eyeliner and like a matching palette and a Burt's Bee chapstick like lipstick thing. And like I tried to do dark emo looks, but like I didn't have a red until like high school. I had that Hot Topic quad, but oh my gosh, like I literally just wanted deep dark eyes like Frank Iero. Also, I'm applying a white highlighter to the high points of my cheek and throughout my brow bone because as I said, this is, you know, Revenge Era Frank Iero, but glam, because your girl, it's 2019, we need to look good. But oh my god, I just love this so much. But like, I was so obsessed in middle school with My Chemical Romance. Like, I remember getting ready to school every day to the MTV like music video station, and like I'm Not Okay would be on there, Ghost of You, Helena, like those music videos would always be playing, and like I just lived for it. Like it was the greatest time to be alive. Like on top of that, there's like also Fall Out Boy and Paramore and like Panic at the Disco. Like it was crazy. But like I just remember like getting ready every morning and My Chemical Romance to play, and had like my best friend in 6th grade who like loved them in my art class, and we talk about them all the dang time. And like, okay, so 3 Cheers for Sweet Revenge is like my favorite album forever. Like their best album to me. I don't care what you say, at me all you want. Like, yes, I love The Black Parade. It is a phenomenal concept album. It's so great. I love Danger Days, and I always have a special place in my heart for I Brought You My Bullets, You Brought Me Your Love, which, oh my god, like vampires will never hurt you. Like, but Revenge Era is my favorite era for life. Like, I just love their look. I love their sound. It was just great. Like, I'm Not Okay. Like, I would just go bangers, and like I love their songs so much. I listened to the album. I had like my little CD case, and I would play that along. I just like listen to it on the bus, listen to it everywhere. I love My Chemical Romance. And like, hi, okay, let's move on to finish the eyes because I'm just getting too excited. I can't. So to create those iconic X's on the eyes, I'm going in with a water activated paint. Now I know he probably used eyeliner, and that's great. If you have that, use that, but I don't feel like taking the 10 years to get a bunch of black eyeliner off my face because, you know, it's kind of annoying, and water activated paint comes off with just water, so we're gonna do that. And we're just gonna go through and do some X's. So we're gonna start bringing them like right above our brow and just bring it straight down. Go through the lid and bring it down. So like the inside of your eye is where it crosses. Just remember that. And you're gonna bring it down your cheek. And then you're gonna do the same. go through, start at the tail end of your brow and bring it down all the way to your eye, have it intersect on your lid. Now the great thing about this is you could be as messy as you want because it's never perfect. I feel like these need a little extra something, so I think I'm gonna powder a little bit of like dark red around the edges. Maybe, we'll see. I'm gonna see how it looks towards like the beginning and maybe let it fade back into just black. What do you guys feel? You feeling that idea? I'm feeling that idea. So I'm gonna go back into the Sugar Trip Squad and I'm gonna start going in with this dark maroony shadow and just start lightly blending it around the X's. And then to finish eyes, we're gonna add mascara to the upper and lower lashes. And then I'm gonna add some lashes off camera. Now, I know the point of this look is, you know, to look sunken in, dead, vampire, living your best life. But I just wanna brighten up the eyes a little bit in the inner corner with a white highlight just to open them up a bit. Like, yes, I'm tired, but I look good tired. Does that make any sense at all? There we go. That's what I wanted. Don't mind it. Now we want some dead lips, so I'm gonna go in with this shade of NYX Lip Lingerie, the shade Scandalous, and it's like a gray shade. And I'll apply that to the end of the center of my lips. And I'm just blending it out into the chapstick I already have on my lips and into my foundation, because I want a like corpsey looking mouth. And then to give a little bit of life into it, I'm just gonna add a little bit of a clear gloss on top. So I'm 100% feeling myself in this finished look. Like, this is everything. Like, this is the most iconic thing I'll ever do in my life. Okay, that's a lie. But like, this is the most iconic emo thing ever. Like, when I think emo, like, I think Revenge era My Chemical Romance. Like, I know a lot of people go straight to Black Parade, but my mind goes straight to 3 Cheers for Sweet Revenge. Like, that's my favorite album. But like, this look was everything, and I feel like it started like this blow up evolution of guys who just want to look like really cute vampires. Like, I don't know, like, red eyeshadow is everything. Like, when I think of iconic emo makeup, like, first is Gerard Way's red eyeshadow, then next is Frank Iero's black X's. Like, literally, that's how it goes. And I have a whole list. I have a lot of videos planned for the series. Like, 2019 is the greatest thing ever. I am going to live my best like life. Like, I can't believe this happened. Like, 2019 is like the greatest thing ever. Like, I get so nostalgic for the emo days, and I had been planning the series, and now it all ties together, and I'm just like, I know I shouldn't be so happy for like emo, because, you know, it's emo, you're not supposed to be happy. But like, I'm just really excited because I love emo makeup, I love emo music, I love the fashion. Like, I do sometimes miss being emo, but like, I love being a pastel princess. Like, it's just great. Like, I feel so confident right now that I can like take on the world. Like, now I understand the black X's, like why he did it, because like, I feel so cool. Like, I'm sorry guys, like, this is probably the coolest I'll ever look. Like, I'm loving this so much. I am just so excited for the series. So please like comment down below what iconic emo makeups you guys would like to see, because there is a lot I can do. I know I have a good list, but I know you guys can probably come up with some good ones. And also, I want to know what your favorite My Chemical Romance song is. Mine is You Know What They Do to Guys Like Us in Prison. I just love that song so much. As you saw me singing at the beginning of this video, like, it's a bop. It is a great bop. Like, I love that song. And that is my favorite album. And I'm just like, I'm just so excited. I'm sorry, guys. I keep chatting. I just love this. Like, yay, emo. But yeah, like, what do you guys think? Am I your emo boyfriend? I'm living my best Frank Iero life, you know? What's up, Gerard? Hit me up. You know what I'm saying? But like, I love this. I love it so much. Like, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I would just be really, really, really rad of you guys. And I hope you guys stay lovely. Bye!